Daily AI News. Headlines for June 6, 26. Harvey AI achieves ISO 42001 certificati. Direct agents with visual prompts in DES. Google Colab CLI bridges terminal and CL. Gemini Enterprise Agent unlocks Dependab. Sakana AI's recursive self-improvement L. Anthropic turns Claude into a chemist. GPT 5.2 and Codex deprecated in Copilot. Your voice, reimagined with Suno AI. Nemotron 3 Ultra launches on SageMaker. OpenAI Audio API now GA3 models. OpenAI GPT 5.5 Cyber expands to EU teams. Harvey achieves ISO 42001 certification, a milestone in AI governance for legal professionals. Assistant enables questions, document analysis, and faster drafting via domain-specific AI. Vault stores, organizes, and analyzes legal documents. Knowledge researches complex legal, regulatory, and tax issues. Agents automate end-to-end legal work, freeing lawyers for strategy. Solutions address litigation, transactional, and in-house needs. Shared spaces allow secure cross-organization collaboration. Contract intelligence reveals negotiation insights. Command Center offers analytics. Harvey Mobile provides on-the-go access. Cursor has updated its design mode with visual prompts, allowing users to click elements, draw on the page, or use voice input to instruct agents. This update shrinks the distance between what you see and what the agent understands, enabling direct editing of your product in context. Designers, product managers, and front-end developers can now communicate through annotations that point to specific elements or regions. The instruction is no longer just a sentence but includes spatial context, making it faster and easier to iterate on design changes with agents. Direct agents with visual prompts in design mode. Cursor skip. Google announced the Colab CLI on June 5, 2026, linking local terminals to remote Colab runtimes. It offers instant GPU/TPU provisioning via commands like Colab GPU A100, remote script execution with Colab exec, artifact recovery via Colab download and Colab log, and interactive access via Colab replace or Colab console. Developers and AI agents can run ML workflows, like fine-tuning Gemma 3-1B with QLoRA, using simple commands, removing cloud complexity. For example, an agent can provision a T4 GPU, install packages, execute a script remotely, download adapters, save a log, and clean up, all without manual setup. The Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform introduces Agentic RAG, a new approach to generating reliable and accurate responses. This technology combines retrieval-augmented generation with advanced agent capabilities, enabling businesses to build AI systems that can access and reason over their own data. By grounding responses in verified information, Agentic RAG reduces hallucinations and improves trustworthiness. The platform allows developers to create custom agents that can perform complex tasks, such as answering customer queries or analyzing internal documents, with a high degree of confidence. Sakana AI introduces its Recursive Self-Improvement (RSI) lab, aiming to redefine artificial intelligence by moving beyond brute force monolithic models. The lab focuses on creating AI systems that can autonomously enhance their own capabilities, potentially leapfrogging current paradigms. This initiative positions Japan to reclaim global leadership in AI and scientific discovery, leveraging a unique approach that emphasizes efficiency and adaptability. By enabling recursive self-improvement, Sakana AI seeks to unlock new frontiers in machine learning, where models continuously evolve without human intervention. Anthropic is working with world-class chemists to improve Claude's chemistry skills. Chemists frequently move between hand-drawn structures, instrument readouts, database queries, and technical notations. Each representation encodes the same underlying chemistry but demands different fluency. For example, a sketch of caffeine helps a chemist spot its resemblance to adenosine, the body's drowsiness signal. However, that same sketch cannot distinguish it from other near-identical molecules. Understanding what molecule a chemist is working with is critical, as chemistry undergirds everything from materials to medicine. GitHub Copilot now supports multi-model choice, Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro, or OpenAI's GPT-4o. Users pick the best AI for tasks like complex reasoning, Claude, or large-scale refactoring, Gemini. Enhanced code completion and chat improve context understanding, recent files, project structure, open tabs, for accurate suggestions. A new code review feature offers AI-generated pull request reviews with inline comments on code quality, bugs, and best practices, supporting custom guidelines. These updates cut debugging and review time. GitHub plans to expand model options based on community feedback. Suno AI, a leader in generative music, has launched a new feature allowing users to create songs using their own uploaded audio clips. This innovation enables anyone to transform personal sounds, like a hummed melody or a spoken phrase, into fully produced tracks. By bridging the gap between raw creativity and polished music, Suno empowers artists and hobbyists alike. This matters because it democratizes music production, making professional quality tools accessible without technical expertise. The feature could revolutionize how people compose and share music, fostering a new wave of user-generated content. The Great American AI Act was unveiled as a 269-page bipartisan draft that would preempt all state AI laws for 3 years, directly threatening Colorado's June 30 deadline. Meanwhile, Nemotron 3 Ultra hit SageMaker Jumpstart with one-click deploy and 5 times faster NVFP4 inference on day 0. Additionally, OpenAI's Realtime API exited beta with GPT Realtime 2, GPT Realtime Translate supporting over 70 languages, and GPT Realtime Whisper now generally available. These developments mark significant shifts in AI regulation, deployment, and voice technology. AI News June 5, 2026, Great American AI Act, Nemotron Ultra. On June 5, 2026, the Great American AI Act was unveiled as a 269-page bipartisan draft that would preempt all state AI laws for 3 years, directly threatening Colorado's June 30 deadline. Additionally, Nemotron 3 Ultra arrived on SageMaker Jumpstart with one-click deployment and 5 times faster NVFP4 inference on day 0. Meanwhile, OpenAI's Realtime API exited beta, introducing GPT Realtime 2, GPT Realtime Translate with support for over 70 languages, and GPT Realtime Whisper, all now in general availability. AI News June 5, 2026, Great American AI Act, Nemotron Ultra on SageMaker, OpenAI Realtime Audio GS80, June. On June 5, 2026, OpenAI granted EU access to GPT 5.5 Cyber for cybersecurity applications, rolling out to vetted teams, businesses, governments, and EU institutions. This contrasts with Anthropic's Mythos via Glasswing. Additionally, OpenAI launched Dreaming v3, a major ChatGPT memory upgrade that automatically synthesizes user preferences, constraints, and time-sensitive context after conversations, now reaching US Plus and Pro users. HAT could override every state law in America. A Claude Sonnet 4.8 leak keeps gaining credibility. And NVIDIA just announced it wants to reinvent the Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated. And turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you tomorrow for the next daily AI news.